There's a new generation of Muslims that are out there today. They're out there on TikTok, they're out there on Instagram, they're out there on Snapchat. And while we're busy, fighting amongst ourselves over these mere labels, there's a whole new generation of Muslims that we're not getting in touch with, and it scares me.
Do you know how big TikTok is? I think it's the second largest after WhatsApp.
Are you going to go on TikTok?
I have been on TikTok for a while, but I don't know how to use it.
You don't know how to
The reason is I checked out what it's all about, and I don't know how I fit in there.
Yeah. It's like honestly, dancing, floss, this, that. It's like a bit
to me,
awkward,
to me, it's, I'm trying to, if 10,000 of the mashayikh can get onto TikTok, we'd actually have a coup. But it's not, it's a platform of gathering. To me, it's like the ukad and mijanna that used to happen at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and the tawaf around the house naked. That's what TikTok is. So are we going to go there saying, قُولُوا لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ تُفْلِحُوا? Yeah. Or are we going to just shy away and let someone else take over? You will be shocked at, when I initially opened an account there, and I thought to myself, I wonder how this thing works. And with the help of some of the younger generation, they started showing me things. I said, you know what? I don't know how I'm going to fit in here. I can't.
Did you give it a try? Did you at least put up a post?
Not really, actually, because what to do, how to do it. But the point being raised is, yes, we need to somehow. There will be mashayikh and there will be scholars and others besides me, not me, but besides me, of a younger generation perhaps, who might come up with strategies of how to use those platforms, because that's the platform of gathering.
SubhanAllah.
So when I see these platforms, I have people, what are you doing on Instagram? Why do you do this? Why do you do that? Listen, there are people losing their deen. We're resuscitating them. We're giving them mouth to mouth, That's what's happening, subhanAllah. So that's why you find on the platforms, you got to be calm, you got to be cool, you got to be relaxed. And every scholar has a different approach. If you notice, I have a unique approach of my own, because I know, I'm not saying others are wrong. We need those approaches as well, but leave me alone.
Mufti, you've summed it up perfectly. I guess there's a generation that's there on TikTok, they're on these platforms, and at the end of the day, we can't just let it go and say, oh, I'm going to leave these people there. At the end of the day, someone needs to take the step and say, I'm going to get engaged with these people.
If you enjoyed this video along with all the other content that OnePath Network produces, please support us so we can create more beneficial content for the world. Go to onepathnetwork.com and you can support us from as little as $1 a day. Jazakumullah khair for your support.